Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy summer headband. And you can make it any size from baby size up to adult. So let's get started. I'm going to work with worsted weight yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. You can use any size yarn and any size hook. Start with a slip knot. And you're going to chain for the tie cord, and I'm just going to chain 40. So any length that you want, about 10 inches long. Okay, when you have your chain, the length that you want it for a tie, I'm going to start working into the 5th stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in that stitch, I'm going to work a double crochet. And those skipped stitches will count as a double crochet and a chain 1. So now I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to make another double crochet in that same stitch. Like that. And that's going to form the point at the end of the headband. So there's my 1 double crochet, there's the 2nd double crochet, and there's the 3rd. So there's your 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and turn. In the center double crochet, work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 double crochet in that center double crochet. And now I'm going to skip this stitch of the turning chain and work a double crochet in that next stitch. Like that. And now this next row is going to be the repeat row, and you're going to repeat this row as long as you need. So chain 2 and turn. Find that 3 double crochet cluster, and you're going to work in that center stitch. And you're going to make 3 double crochet in that stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Now there's the next double crochet. You're going to skip that stitch and work a double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, like that. And this is the repeat row, so we're going to repeat that row over and over. Chain 2 and turn. Find the center stitch of those 3 double crochets. Work 3 double crochet in that stitch. 1, 2, and 3. So skip that double crochet and work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, like that. And just keep repeating that row over and over until your headband is the length that you would need. And I'm going to give you the measurements in the next chart. So you're just going to keep working over and over like this. And when you reach the end here, we're going to make another point at this end. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay, for the last row, it will be chain 2 and turn. Work a double crochet in that center stitch, but don't complete it. Just work through that very first 2 loops and keep the 2 loops on the hook. Now work another double crochet in the stitch after that double crochet and pull it through 2. And you're going to have 3 loops on the hook. You're going to pick up the yarn, pull it through all 3 loops. So now you have a point at the end, which will match the point at the beginning. And then just go ahead and chain the same number of chains that you have on the other end so that they match, like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.